Expereo is a very ambitious company in a rapidly changing industry. We're helping governments and enterprises with multinational locations with their internet, SD-WAN and cloud requirements globally. My name is Sander Barends. I'm the Chief Commercial Officer for Expereo. Our digital journey doesn't stop with the portals and the apps that we're developing for our customers. We are on a digital journey ourselves as well. Expereo has seen a very impressive growth over the last 15 years.
My name is Cecile van Hulst. I'm the HR manager for Expereo. The manual processes we were facing, they weren't scalable. We needed a system that could capture that all and at the same time free up more of my time to add more value to the business. We wanted to implement employee self-service, ideally also including mobile, because lots of people here travel often. We wanted the recruitment module to automate a lot of the recruitment process for us, to make reporting a lot quicker and more flexible.
My name is Hulst. I am the HR administrator here at Expereo. We have rolled Sage people out to all of our offices, so Amsterdam, Poland, Dubai, Singapore, the US, Argentina and Brazil. We use the Sage people workforce experience as our local intranet across all of our offices, and we call it My Expereo. Every team member uses My Expereo, mostly for vacation time attendance, because that's the most popular option. But we also have local benefits, employee handbooks, birthdays listed there.
Yeah, the biggest differences are seen in time spent on the administrative side of recruitment.
In the last 3.5 months, Sage People has helped us onboard 14 new team members across all of our offices. So even though we're here in Amsterdam, we know who's starting in Singapore.
Reporting takes me an hour a month, as opposed to at least half a day before, when we were almost half the size we are today. That would have grown exponentially had we not changed to Sage People. Freed up time to actually build more value across the company. So retention, talent development, performance management, succession planning.
Sage People has positively changed how HR is delivered to the business.
If you take the system away today, I don't know what I'd do. I'd probably cry to start with.
It's really been an important factor to be able to support our growth.
Sage People has given us the insights to allow our managers to make better decisions. Without Sage People, we could not be where we are today.